Good morning, students. My name is Hanumantra. Today I would like to explain electricity problem. So third problem. Here given problem is an electric bulb is rated 220 volts and 100 watts when it is operated on 110 volts. The power consumed will be dash. So here given problem, first list out the given words. So here electric bulb is 220 voltage and 100 watts. So here given first one given V is equal to 220 volts. I mean potential difference is 220 volts and 100 watts means here power P is equal to 100 watts. So next here we'll find R, I mean resistance. First you will find out in this problem. So the power consumed, already you know that power formula P is equal to V square by R. Power formula is V square by R. Already in the second problem you have to see many power formulas. P is equal to VI. In the same way P is equal to I square R. P is equal to V square by R. I mean three types of formula. You have to see in the power formula P is equal to VI. In the same way P is equal to I square R. Next third formula is P is equal to V square by R. These three formulas you will used in power formula. But here given words is voltage, power and resistance. So that's why we are using P is equal to V square by R formula. So according to power formula P is equal to V square by R. So substitute these values in the equation. So here P means 100 is equal to V square. I mean V is equal to 220. So 220 whole square by R. R means you will find out. Yes. So R is shift here and 100 is shift here. So R is equal to 220 whole square by 100. So here R value is 220 whole square by 100. So here first one is completed actually. I mean R is also completed. Voltage, power and resistance you will find it. But here asking one thing is when it is operated on 110 watts, 110 voltage actually. So you will write now second concept here. V is equal to 110 voltage. So here R is already is there. So that is 220 whole square by 100 and here power you will identify. I mean P is equal to you will find them. So already we know that the formula is P is equal to V square by R. So we can apply these values in the equation. P is equal to here V means 110 whole square by R. R value is 220 whole square by 100. So here p is equal to 110 whole square into, so this is reciprocal to them, so 100 by 220 whole square, 220 whole square. So here we can cancel it, 110 ones are, 110 twos are, so p is equal to 1 square into, here 110 ones are, so that's why 1 is here, so 1 square into 100 by, so here 2 square only, so p is equal to 1 square means 1 into 100 by 2 square means 4, so p is equal to 1 into 100, 100 by 4, 100 by 4. I mean here cancel them, 4 ones are 4, 25s are, so p is equal to 25 watts. P is equal to 25 watts. So that is our answer. So P is equal to 25 watts. So our answer is option D. Our option is option D, 25 watts. So once again I can explain the problem. The electric bulb is rated 220 watts and 100 watts. When it is operated on 110 voltage, the power consumed will be, I mean 110 voltage, you can find out power consumed. So first you will write given list here. Given list means first concept, these two you can utilize. So here V is equal to 220 voltage and power P is equal to 100 watts, but here we will find resistance R. Already we know that the power formulas, so 3 is there, power formulas, P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square by R, P is equal to V square by R, but here given voltage, power and resistance, voltage, power and resistance, so that's why we are used third formula. According to power formula, here P is equal to V square by R. So here P value is 100 and V value is 220. So that's why we can write it as 220 whole square by R. So here R is shift here and 100 is shift here. We will find R. So that's why we can write here R is equal to 220 whole square by 100. But here also asking when it is operated 110 volts. So second one is V is equal to 110 volts and R is equal to, already will find that the word is 220 whole square by 100 and P is equal to question mark, because of we will find power consumed. So according to formula, P is equal to V square by R. Then apply these values in the formula. P is here, P is equal to V square. V square means here V means 110 whole square by R value is 220 whole square by 100. So here reciprocal, these 100, so P is equal to 110 into reciprocal of 100 here. So here 100 is shift here only, into 100 by 220 whole square. So P is equal to, so here cancel them, 110 ones are 110, 110 twos are 220. So here 110 is cutting them, so 1 is keep here, 210, I mean 110 twos are 220. So that's why here 2 write. So into 100. So here 1 is there, so 1 square into 100 by, here 2 is there, so that's why 2 square. So 1 square means 1 into 100 by 2 square means 4. So 1 into 100 means 100. 100 by 4. So we can cancel it. 4 ones are 425. So P is equal to 25 watts. So our answer is option D, 25 watts.